All right, Sean Hayes, the Sean Hayes. We are live.
Welcome, welcome. Thanks for having me, Nate. Real estate Nate.
So, Sean, bring it home for us. What are we doing today? What are we doing today with BatchLeads?
I'm excited to be here. Thank you, BatchLeads, powered by BatchLeads. This is our weekly call, our weekly office hours call. Basically, just open up the floor, discuss all things real estate, but also, take a live look at maybe properties that some of our students are looking at, and how to comp them, how to come up with the right offer price, everything like that. So
that's right.
They run our comps and check our data using BatchLeads. So they're sponsoring this call because they're awesome.
If you want a hat like this, just sign up for BatchLeads and with the link that I have provided everybody, and they might send you a hat. I don't know if it comes with signing up for the service, but maybe you send them an email. They hooked it up. These are pretty cool, man.
Yes, yeah. These hats are great. More importantly, BatchLeads is great for all things data and pulling lists, getting the right data so that you can get on the phone and cold call or text them or whatever your marketing strategy is. So
exactly. Well, Sean, so today, BatchLeads, thank you. So guys, today we want to kind of go over some live examples of like how we're getting deals on market deals, how we're analyzing them. You can hop into the in each wherever you're watching this, whether it's Facebook groups or BatchTV or wherever. Real quick, Sean, someone asked the question. They said, "Do you connect with agents to bring you leads?" Yes, we do. We do connect with agents to bring us leads. That is the goal. That is what you're trying to do, is you're trying to get agents to bring you deals. Hey, what's up, Kelly?
Kelly.
Good to have you here. Right now, we're talking about live real scenarios about deal analysis and how connecting with agents to bring you leads can get you deals. Whether you're going to wholesale them, you're going to flip them. I know you've had some success with that. Would you like to talk about that a little bit, about relationships you've developed?
Well, my whole career, relationships are the key to everything. I mean, you can have all the knowledge, but if you don't build that connection, I'm adding someone every day. I literally am trying to meet or greet or add someone every day. And every single person I talk to, I talk to them about referrals, right? Giving me information about that. And because of that, that's how I got that Tampa deal. And that's how I got the Winter Garden deal that you guys have heard me talk about.
Yeah, before. How's that one going? Did you wholesale it? Did you fix and flip it? What are you doing on it?
The Tampa project I bought for $865. Mm-hmm. The repairs on it are like $525.
Wow.
Yeah, but I just did another. I'm getting ready to put it on the market in about 3 weeks.
Wow.
And the BPO on it is right at 2.75 right now.
Oh my gosh.
So
Kelly, do you mind if we run the numbers on that just to see what your profit is?
Yeah, you can do that.
Sweet.
All right, Sean, bust that out. Example. But yeah, that's a great example, Kelly. I mean, you said you got 2 deals specifically through networking with were those both agents that give you those deals?
Those were agents, but they were pocket deals.
Awesome, amazing.
God, what's the address, Kelly? Since we got you in here.
610 South Newport.
Yeah, Sean, light it up. Share that screen for us.
Yes. So subject property here is 610 South Newport Ave, Tampa, Florida. Looks like you bought this November 23rd, 2020. So you're a year and 6 months in. So that's what you said, right? This says this square footage says 1420, and then this one says that it's almost 4,000. So I'm assuming this is
that's the old pictures.
Yeah, right. So these are on.
What did you buy it for?
868, I think 865.
Well, look at that. Batch is freaking straight on there, right there. It's a sale amount. Scroll up a little bit, Sean. Right there on the mortgage and debt summary. 865 too.
There you go. Let's pull out the calculator. So obviously you paid 865, 200, but that's not even including broker fees and stuff, right? So what do you think this number actually fell into for purchase?
Keep the ARV at 2.7 and purchase at 865.
2.7. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen.
Was that the number right, Kelly? 2.7? Is that the one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is
Yep.
that the conservative number or is that the for sure number?
It's right in the middle.
Okay,
It might
so
be 265. It might be 280.
you're at 18 months. When are we listing this?
I should be done with it in about 3 weeks, and then I might need a week for staging, cleaning,
Okay.
you know,
And then you're
miscellaneous stuff.
hoping. Yes, got you.
So Kelly, what did you
so-
get your money for, Kelly?
8.75.
Oh wow, you didn't do
And-
you didn't do 12?
No, in 2 points.
Good.
8.75. So just for everybody who may not know exactly what this calculator is, this is a flip calculator. We have a wholesale calculator, a bird calculator, an ovation calculator. Right now I'm on the flip one. So just to do a quick rundown, ARV is the after repair value or the price that, in this case, is not sold yet. So it's hypothetical, but
That's
we're hoping
right.
2.7. In this case, this is the purchase price. What did the buyer, Kelly, pay? He paid $865,800. And then down here, I have a custom repair number because he told me exactly what he's put into it. So all the red numbers, this one I don't mess with this one. So those are the three numbers here I changed. And then over here is our interest calculator, right? So Kelly's saying he paid 8.75% interest only, 2 loan points. And I don't know what you put down. What'd you put down?
15.
Put
So
down
either-
15.
Maybe 10. This
10.
company, I'm able to get, I don't know what they are currently. They might be at 9%, but I can get 90%.
10%.
So Kelly,
that
that's that company you're getting money from. I mean, wow. Just put, let's just say
I've got several.
Yeah, that's good. 8.75 and only 10 down on a house of
Yeah.
that price. That's sweet. Let's kind of talk about mindset though, because I think in order to get into this bigger stuff, you got to have the right mindset. So tell me about how you overcame the anxiety or the worry on this thing.
I always try to look at what I'm going to get or do at the end of it. I go 5 million, right? Or $1 million. Let's say $1 million in 1 year is my first goal.
Mm-hmm.
Then I look at what would contribute to that 1 million. What do I need to do? And so then I start looking for things that would fit that. And when I found this, I go, this will fit right into it. So I thought I might make 400 on it, you know, and I thought, okay, that'd be a good jump on that project. So, but the problem is at that point, I don't really have the experience to do what I just did, quite frankly. I mean, I could do flips in my sleep, but this type where it's a rehab, it's historical, you're adding on square footage, it's in the middle of a crisis, there's not workers, or, you know, all these things that went into this. But I just focused on what I was going to get out of it every day. I mean, every day I got up and go, all right, you know, another day, another million. That was kind of my motto, right? Another day, another million, right?
Would we say this is pretty accurate then? Those numbers?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, dude. I mean, are you stoked when this closes?
I'm thinking of, I'm actually thinking of how to best leverage the money to catapult it, because I don't spend any money I make. I got another business that pays me residual. So I bank all this. I don't
my gosh.
spend it on cars or so I'm gonna roll this into something. I don't know what.
You could roll it into some BatchLeads, a $99 a month service.
Well, you know what's interesting is everything I've ever done has been a referral. Like you said, I've never set up a system for acquiring properties, and I really want to do that. I really want to get that part of the business organized. You know,
well, you're gonna need data. You're gonna need data.
In order to scale a wholesaling business or marketing, you have to have data. You have to have a lead gen service, and that's kind of what we do. I mean, honestly, I think the best way to grow a wholesaling business or like a real estate investing business is to do both. You got to have your referrals and you got to have leads coming in with zero marketing spend, and you have to have lead gen, right? Then you can really scale it. Kelly, I want to thank you. I mean, this is the deal analysis call, and I mean, we were going to analyze another deal we had, or we're looking at making an offer on, but you came in, and this is exactly what this calls for: is to show people that it's as simple as running your numbers, being generous with the rehab budget, being conservative with the ARV, just so you don't get yourself in a bad spot, and making offers to sellers. I mean, you can be amazing on the phone. It doesn't, like, you can be terrible on the phone, but the people that win are the ones making offers every day.
Yeah, and you guys are so good at that. You guys make it look easy. Maybe in your analysis, there's so much I don't know and I'm just going to kind of try to be profitable until I do learn it. But
Well, I
Well, looks
appreciate you.
looks like you're doing really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, great job, Kelly.
Yeah.
thank you guys.
You're doing great, man. Yeah. And honestly, like as you scale and grow and build your lead gen side of the business, if that's something you want to do after you cash this check, and we're here to help, we can point you in the right direction on what to do.
Yeah, I
Last
think
question.
you guys are a great
go ahead.
resource for that.
For sure.
Yeah,
Glad to have met you, Kelly. You're awesome.
Same here.
Appreciate you
Love you,
coming on
Kelly.
here. Sean, I mean, I think we've done a pretty good job today. So let's wrap it up, bro. Are you good?
I'm good. Thanks you, BatchLeads, for powering this call.
BatchLeads.
If you need a hookup for what is it, 5,000 free? I'm brain farting. 5,000. What is it? What's the promotion?
5,000 free
5,000
leads in their 7-day free trial.
7-day free trial. Click the link below. Get on there. Get it going.
Everyone, BatchLeads. Go to my Facebook group. Go to my Instagram. Go to anywhere. I got the BatchLeads link for you to sign up. Do it because they give me a referral. I appreciate if anyone supports us because we're trying to go to the top like everyone else. All right.
All right. Love it. See you guys.
See you guys later. Have a great one.